Okay, so your mill or your lathe is sluggish to start up or doesn't want to start up at all. You just hear a humming noise. Now it's most probably your two caps that's the problem. In this case, you've got a running cap and a higher capacity starter cap. Now I'm going to show you how to test them to see if they're working or not. Okay, now what you should do while it's still in the mill is to discharge your capacitor to make sure that you don't shock yourself. Okay, anyway, I've got my multimeter set here to capacitance. Now, if you look at it, it measures 4.5 microfarad capacitance. And if you look on the capacitor itself, it's supposed to be 100 microfarad. And then the second, okay, I've got my installation resistance tester connected to the capacitor. The way it's supposed to work is when you press the test button while you're applying a voltage on insulation resistance test, the needle is supposed to go full on the dial, and as you hold the button in, the needle is supposed to come back as the capacitor charge is full. Now if the capacitor is faulty, the needle will stay on that side of the dial. So let's press the button and see what happens. As you can see, the needle is stationary, which means there's a leakage inside the capacitor. The needle should have hit the left hand side by now, being fully charged. And if you leave it, as you can the voltage on this capacitor immediately falls away. You're supposed to keep that voltage. So yeah, this capacitor is faulty and needs to be replaced. And when you're working with capacitors, just be very careful and vigilant. Discharge them before you touch them. Even if the capacitor is faulty, just discharge them to make sure that you're not by accident getting a charge and shocking yourself. Alright, I hope this is helpful. It's usually not the motor that goes, it's always the capacitors, especially on single phase motors.